Have you ever felt nervous ordering food in English?
Yes, I have. It's really scary.
Don't worry, we're here to help.
Today we're going to practice ordering food at a restaurant.
Let's start with the basics. What do you want to eat?
I'll have the burger, please.
Great choice. And to drink?
I'll have a glass of water, please.
Okay, so you can say I'll have to order food.
That's right. And can I have is also okay.
Exactly. Now let's ask for the bill.
How do we do that?
You can say, can we have the bill, please?
Or, can I get the check, please?
Both are fine. Now let's talk about leaving a tip.
What's a common amount to leave?
Usually, a tip is about 10 to 15%.
Okay, got it. So let's review.
We learned to order food with I'll have and can I have.
And to ask for the bill with, can we have the bill or can I get the check?
Don't forget to leave a 10 to 15% tip.
Thanks for watching. Practice with us every day and you'll be fluent in no time.
Close the curtain.